In this video, we're actually going to be unboxing the SX27 wireless microphone and find out what's actually in the pack. Right here is the box containing the SX27 wireless microphone. Removing the cover, then you can actually see this microphone is actually very good for vlog, short video, interview, and live shows, as you can see. So when you actually pull this to actually reveal the contents, this is what you find. Wow. Here is the covering. Okay, this actually contains the charging case. This is where the mics actually put, so you can actually charge them. Still within the box, we have these two clips, okay, that have magnets on them. Very important when you want to put the mic on your shirt and probably have a firmer grip. Okay, and then this right here is what has the USB Type-C, as you can see right there. Okay, it's very important if you're actually going to charge the microphones in particular as well. Then here we have the instruction manual. Very important if you're actually going to use this microphone, you want to read the manual very well. So when you go to the charging case, this is where we have the microphone. So we actually have, you see, this is the first microphone right there. It's actually very small. Okay, you can actually see very small. This is the first one, and then the second one is actually the other side. A closer look at them, the two microphones actually very small, okay, with a button on the other side which can actually be used to turn the microphone on. And then we have the two receivers, which you actually just have to plug into the device that you're actually using, be it an iPhone, be it an Android phone, and then you actually use the microphone. By the way, the review of the SX27 wireless microphone. This microphone I actually just unboxed right now. Actually going to be up in a few. So if you don't want to miss that, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.